Testing my friend's abilities to guess heart sounds with my med study. Okay, so the first one that we have is. All right, Brooke, what do you think that this heart murmur is?
A holosystolic murmur.
Holosystolic. Let's check. And the answer is aortic stenosis. All right, so this is the next heart sound that we have. All right, Cade, what do you think that this heart sound is?
Mitral stenosis?
You're right. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. He had the opening snap down. All right, next up we have King Hamza listening to this murmur. All right, Hamza, what do you think the murmur is?
Bro, that's got to be an S3.
That is opening snap and mitral stenosis. That's crazy. All right, so this is the last murmur. All right, Brian, what's the answer?
It's S4.